Hi Chris, we've got your Porsche Cayenne in. It's the 4.5 V8. It's had some misfires, running rough. You felt that Hydroflow might help it. We've just done the treatment. We've cleaned the injectors as well as removed the carbon from the engine. You've just been for a test drive. What do you think?
I think it's phenomenal. I think baloney-free statement. I'm driving a different car. Before I got here, I was coming up the A1 thinking, what is going on here? Where's the power? I've just been around the corner thinking, there's a lot of power here that I never realised was there. I'm kid you not. And you know, I'll put my money down to say, if you're not impressed with this thing, I'm not just saying it, if you're not impressed with this, I'll pay for it. That's how impressed I am.
Thank you very much, Chris. I appreciate that.